Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on suggested accounts on your account on TikTok on email notification settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy. Now click notifications. Here you will find email notifications, click on it. And here as you see you will find suggested accounts. Just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on suggested accounts on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.